Hi. In this video, I will show you how to connect HappyForm to GetGist using BitFlows. BitFlows is an advanced automation plugin for WordPress. It helps you create complex workflows and integrate various apps seamlessly. I have already installed the BitFlows plugin on our site. In this tutorial, I will explain how to create a new contact in GetGist using HappyForm. I will use HappyForm as a trigger node to send a message for contact creation in GetGist. Step 1. Create a new flow. First, navigate to the Flows page. If you have not created any flow yet, click on the Create Flow button. Enter a name for your flow, and then click on the Create button. Once you have successfully created a new flow, it will be displayed like this. Step 2. Add HappyForm as a trigger. Next, let's add HappyForm as a trigger in our workflow. To do this, click on the plus icon. A pop-up will appear. From there, search and select HappyForm Form Submission as the trigger. Now, choose the form you would like to use from the drop-down menu. After that, click the Listen Response button. Then I will submit a test response from HappyForm. Once the form submission is completed, the response will appear like this. The data will now be available in the next flow step as a variable to map. Finally, close the Trigger tab. We have successfully added a HappyForm trigger to our flow. Step 3. Add an action. Now, I will add GetGist as an action in the workflow. Click the plus icon again, then search and select GetGist, Create Contact as the action from the pop-up. Next, select a GetGist connection from the drop-down menu. If you don't have any existing connection or want to create a new one, simply click the Add Connection button. Here, write a name for your connection. Then you will need to provide an API key to establish a connection with GetGist. To get your API key, visit the GetGist General Settings console. Then select API key under the API and Webhook section. Now, copy the API key. Then go back to the BitFlows builder and paste it into the token field. Then click the Connect button. Your GetGist node is now successfully connected to BitFlows. Next, you can also add tags, if needed. Now, I will map the fields from the HappyForm response to the GetGist fields. You also have the option to override the existing contact information with responses if needed. After completing all the setup steps, close the Action tab. Step 4. Run a final test. Now click on the Test Flow Once button to run a test. Then submit a form to trigger a response from HappyForm. Once your form is successfully submitted, return to the BitFlows builder and click on the Logs button to view the details. In the Logs section, you can verify that your form submission response has been successfully captured and recorded in GetGist node. Step 5. Verify the contact in GetGist. Finally, go to your GetGist General Settings page and click on Contacts. Here, you will see that a new contact has been successfully added to your GetGist account. That's all for this tutorial. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next video.